Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel WebToTech. In today's video, we are going to see how you can turn off dark mode on Solflare wallet app. Well, it is a very simple process. First of all, launch your Solflare app. After launching your Solflare app, what you're going to do is now go to your settings, which is on the bottom right corner right here. Tap on it and then tap on General. After doing so, here you will be able to see the theme option. Tap on it. And there you can see dusk, eclipse, and ultraviolet. Here you can change the theme of your application by simply just tapping on these options. You can see right now we are in the eclipse mode. Simply just tap on dusk mode and here you can see the theme is now changed. Now if you want to put your application on ultraviolet mode, you can simply just tap on ultraviolet mode just like this. And there you can see now your app is on ultraviolet mode. Now, in order to save it, simply just tap on this arrow, which is on the top left corner right here. Again, tap on it in order to go to the main page. And like this, you have successfully changed the theme of your Solflare app and turned off the dark mode. Quite easy and simple, right? I hope this video was a help. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.